G'day guys, Cliff here from Surtees Boats. Hey, we had such good feedback from everybody regarding the Workmate Pro hardtop, and so now we've added it to our garaging roof as well. So same core principles, just a much more modernised look. As always, first up, side clears come off. Just before you fold the roof, spin the seats around so they're facing the transom. So under your tri-knob side arms, support your roof, pop your gas rams off, click them in place, simply walk backwards, put the nose of the roof on the deck. Undo the two knobs on the windscreen, grab your windscreen, walk backwards, sit in place. So with it all folded down, it now fits into your garage. And to put it back together, all you got to do is reverse that process. Let's see how she looks in the water. So the dash itself is very similar to our Workmate Pro hardtop. Up to a 12-inch screen, USB sockets there, all new LED backlit rocker switches. So the new roof, you got enough rod holders up there for 6 rods. You can also fit an optional shade extension, and like this, paint is also a great option for the roof. So you've got 2 options with the garaging roof. Open like this, excellent visibility, plenty of airflow. Option 2, close it down, and with it down, better weather protection. So everything else stays the same. You've still got the same awesome fishing area, the ride stays the same, stability at rest, 10-year worldwide hull warranty. If you need any more information, check us out, surteesboats.com.